Very good morning, students. Now today we will move to test paper 2. Okay, from exponent exercise. Test paper 2, question number 1 says to evaluate 1 3 to the power minus 4. So to remove this minus sign from here, from exponent side, we will get its reciprocal. So that will be 1 by 3 to the power 4. Okay. Now further we will multiply 1 by 3 4 times by itself and we'll get the answer. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now 1 multiplied 4 times gives you 1. And 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. That is your answer. One more question from this. 5 is different. 5 by 7 power 0. Now do remember, dear students, if any rational number or any number having 0 at the exponent side, the result will be 1. So its result is 1. That is your answer. Clear? Now question number 2. Question number 2 also says to evaluate, that is minus 2 by 3 having power 3 and again having power minus 2. To solve this, we will multiply their exponents. 3 into minus 2, that will give you 3 to the 6 minus 6. So minus 2 by 3 power minus 6. 3 to the 6 minus plus minus. Now to remove this minus sign from here, we will again get its reciprocal. So that will be minus 3 by 2 to the power 6. Now 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 is to be multiplied 6 times by itself. Now minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will multiply. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243, 243, 3s are 729. And 6 times a negative integer is multiplied will give you, means 6 is an even number. So even number of time a negative integer multiplied, that will give you a positive integer. So that will be plus sign will be here. So no need to write the sign, and that the result is 7 to 9. And here 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64 will be your answer. Exactly. Now question number 3. Question number 3 says to simplify 3 to the power minus 1 plus 6 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 by 4 power minus 1. Now having power 1 minus in the both sides, will get its reciprocal, that is 3 by 1, 6 by 1. So we will get its reciprocal. So that will be 1 by 3 to the power 1 plus 1 by 6 to the power 1. Now again having power minus 1, to remove this minus we will get its reciprocal, so that is 4 by 3 to the power 1. Now power 1 means nothing, the number itself. We will get its LCMs, 3 and 6. LCM is 6. Now 3 2 ja 6 and 2 multiplied to 1, 2, 6 1 ja 6, 1 multiplied to 1, 1. Okay. Now this division sign, we will change this division sign to multiplication sign and we will get its reciprocal again. So that will be 3 by 4. Okay. Now 2 1 3 by 6 into 3 by 4. Now 3 2 ja 6. Okay. Now here 3 1s are 3 and 2 4s are 8. That is your answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 says, by what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient is 4 by 9 to the power minus 2. We don't know the number by which minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 is to be divided. So let we suppose the number x. Okay, means we will divide minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 by x. So solution is, let the required number be x. We have supposed. Now minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by x gives you 4 by 9 power minus 2. Now at first we will remove their sign, minus sign, to get, by getting its reciprocal we will remove their sign at the exponent sign. So that will be minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 divided by x. Here 9 by 4 power 2. Minus is removed. Now 3 times we will multiply 3 by 2 by itself, and 2 times we will multiply 9 by 4 by itself. So minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. 2, 2, 2. And this division sign changes to multiplication sign. We will get its reciprocal. X by 1 will be 1 by x. Now on the other side, 9 into 9, 4 into 4. Okay. Now 3 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 will be transposed on the other side, because we have to get the value of x. So the rest from x here at the LHS side will be transposed on the other side. So 1 by x is equal to 9 into 9, 4 into 4. This was written. Now here 2 into 2 into 2 is at the denominator side, that will go at the numerator side. So 2 into 2 into 2, and minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 will be at the denominator side. So minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Okay students, now we will divide. 3 3s are 9, cancel. 3 3s are 9. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Don't miss that there is minus minus minus. 3 times minus means odd number of time negative integer is multiplied, that will give you a negative integer. So 1 by x is equal to minus 3 by 2, but we have to get the value of x. Now we are getting value of 1 by x, so we will get its reciprocal both the sides to get value of x. So x is equal to, we will get its reciprocal, minus 2 by 3. That will be your answer. Okay, question number 5 is same. Here we have divided, there you have to multiply. You will do it. Now question number 6, express each of the following in standard form. You know how to express the numbers in standard form. We will leave only one digit at the left hand side after decimal, putting there. I will give you one question here. Like question number 2, that is 180000. Here we do have decimal here at the extreme right side. We have to place this decimal from here to here. So that will be 1 decimal 8. No need to write these zeros after decimal, because after decimal zeros doesn't value. So we don't need to write them. So 1 decimal 8 into how many zeros are removed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 decimal 8 is equal to 10 to the power 5, because 5 zeros are there. 10 to the power 5. That is in standard form. That will be your answer. Now different others questions are same. Question number 10 is little bit different for you. Question number 10. That is, if 5 by 12 power minus 4 into 5 by 12 power 3x is equal to 5 by 12 power 5, then x is equal to what? we have to find the value of x. Now we can see 5 by 12, 5 by 12, 5 by 12, both the sides, LHS side and RHS side. So once same numbers are multiplied together, we have to add their powers, we have to add their exponents. Once they are multiplied, if they are divided, we will reduce their powers. Okay, do remember, students. So we will solve it. We will take 1 5 by 12. Since we have to add their exponents, that will be minus 4 plus 3x. And here we will have 5 by 12 to the power 5. Now we do see 5 by 12, 5 by 12 both sides. So we will make their exponents equal because bases are same, right? So that is minus 4 plus 3x is equal to 5. Okay. So here 3x is equal to 5. 4 is transposited. 4 is transposited will give you different sign. This minus will be changed to plus sign. Now 3x is equal to 5 4 9. Then x is equal to 9 by 3. 3 is multiplied. Here 3 will divide. So 3 is 9. So value of x is 3. We have got the value of x what question asked. Now rest of the questions are same. You will do it in your homework copy. Now further we will move to square and square roots. Okay students, rest of